Top 10 Ways Rich People Make Money During a Recession. During a recession, there is a significant, widespread, and prolonged downturn in economic activity. Economic activity shifts downward for an extended period of time, the unemployment rate increases, and consumer and corporate activity is reduced because of predictions of weak future growth. Even though this is a vicious cycle, it is also an expected aspect of the general business cycle. The only uncertainty is how severe and how long a recession will continue. Many people struggle to make ends meet as the economy slows down, businesses shut down, and jobs are lost. However, some wealthy individuals have found ways to make money during a recession. Welcome to this channel. Today, we are going to discuss the ways in which the rich are able to make money even in the face of a threatening recession. Before we continue, ensure you click on the like button and subscribe to our channel so you can get notification of our newly uploaded videos. Thank you. Now, here are 10 ways that rich people can make money during a recession. 1. Buy stocks at a discount. The value of the stock market frequently declines significantly during a recession. Putting as much of your money as you can into the stock market is the simplest approach to become wealthy during a recession. The performance of the stock market diminishes during recessions. Investors are concerned as consumers spend less and businesses make less money. Some investors decide to liquidate a portion of their holdings out of necessity or out of fear. This is a fantastic chance that rich people can seize by purchasing stocks. While it may appear hazardous, stock prices could decrease by 20% to 30% or perhaps more. However, the market has always recovered following recessions. When prices are low, the wealthy invest more and may effectively purchase at discount prices. They hold and sell when the market recovers. 2. Starting a business or supplying less expensive options for services. The recent recession saw the founding of some of the most prosperous businesses, including Uber and Airbnb, by offering a less expensive option for travel and lodging services through citizen sharing. During a recession, people want to spend less and save more. They want a less expensive option to dining out, watching movies, and doing other things. People who offer services to give such less expensive alternatives frequently become wealthy as a result of a recession. Rich people can use their wealth to start a new business or invest in a startup that shows potential. 3. Investing in real estate. In the event that a recession causes stagflation, real estate can also serve as a hedge against inflation. Excessive unemployment and excessive inflation are characteristics of stagflation. Real estate is a more inflation-proof investment because home prices often rise along with consumer prices. Real estate is a popular investment for the wealthy during a recession. They can purchase properties at a lower price, rent them out, and wait for the market to recover when they can sell the properties at a higher price. 4. Buying cheap investment. According to a notable investor, Warren Buffett, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. The supply of investments outpaces the demand for them during a recession. In contrast to those who would be eager to purchase them, more people are willing to sell their investment. During a recession, many businesses and properties become distressed assets, meaning their value has decreased significantly. With assets, real estate, stock, and other investment prices falling, rich individuals can purchase these assets at a lower price, and hold onto them until the economy improves, when they can sell them at a higher price. Knowing whether an investment is deemed cheap is typically the issue at this point. Some people would be scared of taking the risk of investing, thinking their investment may drop further in terms of value. People are reluctant to invest during a recession out of a concern of buying while the price may still fall. Many people will sell in a frenzy because they are afraid of losing additional money. But the rich investors make long-term investments. They are aware that it is important to purchase items at low cost and hold them. They might eventually lose money, but as things start to improve, they will be in a better position to make money. The majority of consumers lack the patience to wait as their investment loses money. One of the types of people that succeed during a recession is the patient investor. The rich are majorly the patient investors, as they make measures in pulling this off, because they know the need to have leverage, they have more expertise, and more courage. 5. Investing in healthcare. According to Crello, there are certain fundamental services that we simply cannot live without, and healthcare is one of the most important. People need medical care, medicines, and services regardless of the state of the economy, he says. Healthcare is often considered a recession-proof industry, as people still need medical care regardless of the state of the economy. Rich individuals can invest in healthcare companies, such as pharmaceuticals, hospitals, or medical device manufacturers. In 2019, Moderna, the organization that created the well-known COVID vaccination, was valued at $22 per share. It is currently worth about $140. 6. Protecting your income and cutting down on expenses. The rich set aside a significant portion of their earnings in order to face the hardships of the recession. They do this by making a list of all outgoing costs, including mortgage, car or insurance payments, and even little grocery bills, will help achieve this. Then they add up all of these expenses at the end of the month and look for any expenses that may be cut from the list, and also help to cut back on luxury purchases and allocate more money to savings, diversification, and investments. In other words, this list will inform them of the expenses that have been incurred and also offers a sense of the unnecessary charges. 7. Investing in precious metals. Because of their propensity to hold or even gain in value during periods of economic instability, precious metals are frequently seen as wise investments. This is primarily because investors can protect themselves against inflation when times are rough, because they aren't dependent on the financial stability of a particular currency or nation. Furthermore, it is challenging to mine and find precious metals. When supply is low, we can't just turn on the printers and print more as we can with money. As a result, scarcity increases and their value tends to rise over time as more individuals purchase and keep. As such, precious metals are considered a safe haven investment during a recession. Rich people can invest in precious metals, which often increases in value during economic downturns. During market lulls, precious metals like gold or silver frequently do well. However, because there is typically a rise in demand for certain commodities during recessions, their prices typically increase as well. 8. Investing in government bonds. In a government bond, you lend money to the government in exchange for an agreed-upon interest rate. This is a sort of debt-based investment. Governments use them to raise money for infrastructure or new projects, and investors can use them to receive a fixed return paid on a regular basis. Bonds are extremely safe investments. Bonds, because they are backed by the government, provide a consistent return that offsets the volatility of equity prices, Krallo explained. Because of the low risk, bonds tend to outperform other investment types during a downturn. They offer not only a relatively safe investment, but also a consistent income stream in the form of regular interest payments. They're also extremely liquid, which means they may be purchased and traded fast and readily on the market. Most bonds will pay interest on a regular basis while you hold them. The interest rate on most bonds is fixed and never changes. Some have variable rates that fluctuate over time. You will receive the face value of the bond when it matures. During recession, the interest rates on bonds often increase, making them an attractive investment for the wealthy. They can purchase bonds and earn a profit on the interest paid. 9. Investing in technology. During a recession, some technology companies may continue to thrive. Wealthy individuals can invest in these companies, which may offer products or services that are in demand during difficult economic times. 10. Taking advantage of low interest rates. Although loans are something that most people try to avoid at all costs, they can be useful. Did you know that you may utilize loans to your advantage to increase your wealth? Loans can be frightening, but you can also benefit from them. Amidst the face of recession, banks give out loans with low interest rates. The rich leverage this low interest rates to grow wealth. They get loans at low interest rates and make investments with these loans, and they generate more money for themselves. There you have it. These are some ways that rich people make money during a recession. While the average person may struggle during tough economic times, the wealthy can often find opportunities to increase their wealth. These tips can help you make money during a recession, but make sure to conduct your own research and use your judgment before investing. And lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more innovative updates.